In this tutorial, we'll walk through MongoDB Atlas and MongoDB Compass, from connecting to your database to exploring the platform. This beginner-friendly guide is perfect for anyone starting their journey with no SQL databases. MongoDB Compass offers a powerful visual interface that simplifies working with your database. It allows you to easily browse collections, view and edit documents, and understand the structure of your data without needing to write complex code. Step 1. MongoDB Atlas. Open your browser and search for MongoDB Atlas. Click on the official website link, then select Get Started. Follow the sign-up process to create your account and set up your first cluster. After signing up, MongoDB Atlas will guide you to deploy your first cluster. Select the free tier to continue with this tutorial. Give your cluster a name, such as Cluster 0, then choose AWS as your cloud provider and pick the region nearest to you for better performance. Once everything is set, click Deploy to launch your cluster. After your cluster is successfully deployed, MongoDB Atlas will take you to the Project 0 overview dashboard. From there, scroll down and locate the database access and network access options. These sections allow you to create database users and configure IP access so you can securely connect to your cluster. Next, add a new database user. Select the password authentication method, enter a username, and use the auto-generate secure password option to create a strong password. In the Database Access section, scroll down to Built-in Roles and choose Read and Write to any database. This gives your user permission to read and modify data across all databases. After selecting the role, click Add User to save and create the new database user. Your database user is now successfully added using the Scram authentication method. To allow connections to your cluster, go to the Network Access section and configure your IP access list. This step ensures that only trusted IP addresses can access your database. In the Network Access section, click Add IP Address. When the pop-up appears, you can choose Allow Access from anywhere to enable connections from any IP address for tutorial purposes. After opening the IP access list, you'll see the options for secure access. For learning purposes, you can choose Allow Access from anywhere. For real-world security, it's best to add only your own IP address. After setting up the IP access list, return to your cluster by navigating to the Clusters tab in the MongoDB Atlas dashboard. You should see your cluster listed, e.g., Cluster 0. From here, you can view its status, manage settings, and connect to it using MongoDB Compass or other tools. From the Cluster 0 overview page, click Connect. A pop-up will appear with connection options. If MongoDB Compass is not installed on your computer, choose I don't have MongoDB Compass, then download and install it using the provided link. After installation, return to the connection pop-up and copy the connection string or use the Connect with MongoDB Compass option to connect your local Compass application to your Atlas cluster. If you already have MongoDB Compass installed, click I have MongoDB Compass, then select your version of Compass. Copy the provided connection string, and then open MongoDB Compass on your computer. Step 2. Connect MongoDB Compass. By default, the new connection window in MongoDB Compass shows MongoDB local has 27017, which connects to a local MongoDB database if you have it installed on your machine. To connect to your Atlas cluster instead, copy the connection string from MongoDB Atlas and paste it into Compass. Make sure to replace password in the string with the password you created for your database user. Once you've updated the password, click Connect to access your cluster. Step 3. Explore MongoDB Compass. Many MongoDB Atlas clusters come with sample datasets to help you explore and practice. These sample collections often include embedded documents and arrays, which let you practice querying nested data and understanding MongoDB's flexible document structure. Using these datasets is a great way to learn how to explore, query, and analyze data in MongoDB Compass without having to create your own database from scratch. You can also create your own database in MongoDB Compass. To do this, click Create Database, then enter a name for your database, for example, MyDB. Next, give a name to your first collection within that database. Once you click Create, MongoDB Compass will add the new database and collection, and you can start inserting documents or exploring its structure. This allows you to practice working with your own data alongside the sample datasets like sample flicks. To add data to your new collection in MongoDB Compass, click Add Data and select Insert Document. In the document editor, enter the fields and values for your data. For example, you can create a document with a name field set to Alice, an age field set to 30, and a hobbies field like tennis. After entering the data, click Insert to add the document to your collection. You will then see it appear in the collection view, and you can continue adding or editing documents as needed. Click Add Data Insert Document, then enter name, Josh, age, 35, hobbies, baseball, and click Insert. This document will now appear in your collection alongside Alice's. You have successfully learned how to use MongoDB Atlas and MongoDB Compass. You now know how to create a cluster, add database users, configure IP access, connect Compass, explore databases and collections, and insert documents. With these skills, you can start managing and querying your data efficiently in a visual and secure environment. Once connected, you can explore advanced features such as aggregation pipelines, indexing, authentication, and cloud deployment. These tools will help you optimize performance, ensure security, and scale your applications efficiently. By practicing with these features, you'll move from beginner to intermediate MongoDB skills and be ready to tackle real-world projects.